As a building surveyor working in the UK, I've inspected thousands of homes over the years. Some have minor defects, some have serious structural problems. But one common and costly issue I see isn't caused by age or weather, it's caused by road traders. Road traders are individuals or companies who deliberately exploit homeowners with poor workmanship, inflated prices, unnecessary work, or outright fraud. The damage they cause isn't just financial, it can affect safety, property value, and a homeowner's peace of mind. I'm Paul Badham, Associate Director at Harrison Clarke Chartered Surveyors, and in this video I hope to explain how homeowners can protect themselves and what they can do if things go wrong. Many homeowners only carry out building work a few times in their lives. It's easy to put your faith in someone who appears professional and knowledgeable about that building work. That lack of experience makes it easy for road traders to take advantage. They often target vulnerable people, particularly the elderly, and commonly approach homeowners through tactics such as cold calling, doorstep visits, or unsolicited phone calls. From a surveyor's perspective, the aftermath is all too familiar. Incomplete work, unsafe roof repairs, damp problems made worse, poor foundations or structural walls altered without proper support. By the time we're asked to inspect the work, the trader might have disappeared, leaving a homeowner with an expensive and stressful mess. One of the most important ways to avoid road traders is knowing the red flags. Be cautious of anyone who cold calls at your door offering leftover materials, pressures you to make an immediate decision, can start on short notice, refuses to provide a written quote or contract, asks for large cash payments up front, avoids providing a business address or references, or claims work is urgent without evidence. A reputable contractor will always allow for consideration, provide paperwork, and welcome questions. If someone makes you feel uncomfortable or rushed, that alone is a reason to stop. Ask people you know for references rather than local Facebook groups. As a building surveyor, I cannot stress this enough. You should never rely on verbal agreements. Road traders thrive on vague promises. A proper written quotation should clearly describe things such as the exact work that's going to be carried out, the materials that are going to be used, the time scales, the total cost including VAT, any payment stages, and certainly be cautious of an estimate, as this may result in the works costing far more. A written contract protects both parties. Without one, homeowners have very little legal recourse if the work is substandard or incomplete. Check their credentials and memberships. Many road traders falsely claim to be approved or certified. Always verify their credentials independently. Look out for contractors who are members of recognised trade bodies or reputable trade associations relevant to the work being done. Membership doesn't guarantee perfection, but it does mean there might be a complaints process if things go wrong. Trading standards, for example, operate a buy with confidence scheme where members commit to fair practices. You should always get more than one quote, and one of the simplest protections is also one of the most effective. Attain at least 3. If one quote is significantly cheaper than the others, ask why. In my experience, extremely low prices often mean corners will be cut, poor materials used, or extra charges added later. Road traders frequently lure homeowners in with a low initial figure, and then they inflate the costs or the extent of the work once it is started, and then it is awkward to get other contractors involved. Avoid large upfront payments. Another common issue I encounter is homeowners paying most or all of the cost before the work begins. A reasonable payment structure might include a small deposit, staged payments as work progresses, and final payment only once the completed work is satisfactory. You should never pay in cash if you can avoid it, despite any reductions that are offered. Bank transfers or card payments create a financial trail which can be crucial if disputes arise. Some road traders deliberately avoid building control approval, particularly for structural work, extensions or alterations. This can leave homeowners with unsafe buildings and problems when they try to sell their property later. As a surveyor, I often advise homeowners to seek independent professional advice before major works begin. A pre-work survey or specification can prevent unnecessary or inappropriate work and gives you a benchmark to measure quality against. Problems caused by road traders can be severe. Unsafe structures, including fire risks, damp and water ingress made worse by poor repairs, potentially invalidated home insurance, a reduced property value, expensive remedial works, legal disputes and stress. In some cases, homeowners paying twice, once to the road trader and again to a competent professional to fix the damage. From a building surveyor's perspective, prevention is always better and cheaper than cure. Take your time, ask questions, get everything in writing, and don't be afraid to walk away. Your home is likely your biggest investment. Protect it by choosing the right professionals and staying alert to the tactics road traders use every day. If something sounds too good to be true, it usually is. For more property related content, check out our YouTube channel and at harrisonclarke.co.uk.